Hey man, I'm coming to you again with another video of something very delicious. I want to test for you again today. By the way, thank you for for liking, for subscribing, and for commenting my channels. Thank you so much for sharing. I have a lot of new subscribers this week. I'm very proud of you guys. Thank you so much for encouraging me. So before waiting, you have to go now where the new video will be. I want to test fishbal. Let's go. So yeah, that's the place. The fishbal is here. My kuya. Ano pa ka mo? Okay, so yeah, I was just introducing myself with the guy, with the seller, and I'm really proud. I'm very happy always when I'm presenting or when I'm talking about street food in the Philippines. I love eating. That's why I'm presenting this. I'm exploring also what's the new food or whatever you can try if ever you are in the Philippines. It's very important, right? So the fishball is here. Can you see that? How it's beautiful. That's a fishball, man, and it's very nice, very cute. It's very interesting the way it's been cooked. It's been cooked, fried. It's flour mixed with the fish inside, and it's been fried like a cake. And it's very interesting. Whenever you are hungry or whatever. Whenever you are trying to fill your tummy, it's good for anyone or for everyone to try this. Very important. Okay, so now we will try it by ourselves. So now we'll try it. So how do you sell it? Ano mabenta ito? Magkano? Magkano po? Magkano? Yung fishball?
Ito 5.
Ha?
Ito 5.
Ito 5. Okay. Alam English? Ano mo rin? No speaking. Okay, so I need to get this and then where can I do that? Here? Here? Or where? You choose here or where? Yeah? Okay. So I need to choose here. It's already ready, this one, right? This is ready. Is that beautiful? Oh, nice. I'll put it here. I'll put it here. I'll put it here. Here. It's very hot, huh? Can I get this one, sir? You see, he's putting it at the same time. He's adding at the same time. That's very nice. Oh my God, really exciting. Then now we choose it. I will add some vinegar, some nice soup vinegar here. Nice vinegar here. Beautiful. I love it. I really love the onion with the vinegar and the pepper, the chili inside. I really love it. Very nice. Very nice. I really appreciate it. But it's very hot. It's very hot. If you can just leave it to to cool a little bit first before starting eating. Yeah. So by the way guys, if you come in the Philippines and you don't try this, you didn't go to the Philippines. I promise you, okay? I really promise you. So yeah, let's try this now. I'm making it to be a little bit cold because it's very hot. Just got it from the pot. So yeah. That's it. It's hot now, it's hot. Really hot. You love it? I love it. I want to ask him some questions, like how do you do that? How did it happen to, you know, make this delicious recipe? Ano gawa mo to? Fish? Tapos
Arena.
arena? And like sugar? Oh. So he said, I asked him what he's putting inside, how he's cooking it. He said he's cooking it with the fish, with the flour and also the sugar. But I think it's also salty. I see some salt. I feel some salt inside as well. It's really delicious. This one. Hot. But this water, so good. I think this was just vinegar mixed with use the vinegar mixed with some onion and pepper with sugar inside. So this. So that's a fish ball in the Philippines. Very special in the Philippines. If you don't try this in the Philippines, you do not do anything. Okay? That's going to be the end of the video. And I really thank you for watching, for liking, for sharing, for subscribing. Kuya, I want to have a video with you here. My friend Kuya here. So thank you so much. See you every time next time. Thank you, Kuya. Bye.